Good everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to reset color settings in your Windows machine. You can reset your color settings in your Windows to restore default visuals and fix any display color issues. Now here are a couple of steps which you could try to go ahead and reset your color settings in your Windows. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on settings. Once you're on the settings page, you will have to go ahead and click on system. Now once you're on the system, on the right hand side you will have to go ahead and click on display. Once you're on the display, you will have to scroll down until you find advanced display. Click on it, and then under this section, if you have more than one monitor connected, then you can choose the display where you're connected. Currently I am choosing the internal display, the default monitor. The display 2 is my external monitor, so I will choose display 1. That's where I want to go ahead and change the color settings. Once you're on this, you may go ahead and click on display adapter properties for display 1. That should give you a prompt for the generic properties window. Under this, you will have to go ahead and select color management and then click on color management again. In case if you get a prompt, you may click on OK or continue. Now once you have the color management window, you may go ahead and click on advanced. Once you're on the advanced, you may go ahead and click on change system defaults. Change system defaults, and that should give you a prompt for a color management system defaults. Click on advanced again. Check the box which says use Windows display calibration in case if it is unchecked, and then click on close. Close again, and then click on OK. Close this window, restart your computer, and with that you should reset your color settings in your Windows machine. So this is how you can go ahead and reset your color settings in your Windows machine. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.